up, guys? Today I have an opportunity to meet someone who inspired me, not just as a content creator, but as a person. Taught me humility and just made me a better individual all around. His name is Zoffinger. I called him today. I didn't realize he was so local to me, and that's weird because I've been watching his channel for a while, but he recently just got himself a drone, and well, you guys know what I do. So I figured I would go over there, and I gave him a call today, see if he was going to be at his shop, and he said he is. So, you know, me and Dronon are going to go over and visit Zoffinger, and I want to introduce you to somebody who really inspired me as a content creator and a person. If you guys don't watch his channel, I'll make sure to post it in the description link below, as well as the comments section. If you guys have an opportunity to make your way over there and give him a subscription, I think you'll understand why I subscribe to him. Very outgoing individual, very open, very cool person to talk to. You know, I've had a conversation with him on the phone. He's a very open person, and I like that. I like people I can trust that are open and don't have anything to hide, and, you know, just give you what they are. You know, there's so much fake stuff I see on YouTube, and it irritates me because I have OCD, so it irritates me horribly when I know somebody's not being honest, or they're fake, or their personality is not what they, you know, portray in real life on their YouTube channel. And I try to be that guy, not just on YouTube, but in life and everything that I do. I try to be that honest person that just, you know, tells it like it is, and that's how it is. And Zoffinger's the same way. You know, I think you guys will really like to meet him. I don't want to drag this intro on for much longer. Ron's inside painting right now at his house, and Brian's getting ready. So I think I'm going to go meet up with Brian, and we're going to take a trip over and meet Zoffinger. I would like to introduce you guys to him, and I have a gift I want to give him. I'm hoping that I can rub off some of my, you know, drone flying skills on him, and teach him some cool shots with the Mavic Mini, because that's what he just purchased. That's what I've been messing with. So I want to kind of give him the rundown on the drone and everything that's important about it, and stuff that people have been going through, and things to watch out for, and just have an all-around fun conversation, and maybe even a fly. I would love to fly off his dock that he has out there, man. The area just looks phenomenal to have some fun and get a good flight in. So stick around. It's going to be a good time. I hope you guys enjoy. This is one of those DW vlogs. I don't do these often enough, and I'm trying to get back to doing some of them. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Toodaloo. Pew, pew, pew. You see who I'm hanging out with. We got the new truck back in the background. I got Mr. B, and we got Ron, who's always hungry, ordering tacos, because the guy's just hungry constantly, 24/7. He's hungry. Sorry for the wind. It is windy out here today. I'm hoping my noise cancellation helps with that, but we did get the truck on the road, starter and spark plugs. I did everything to it, man. It's ready to roll. It's ready to rip, tater chips. It's windy out here. It's kind of cool today, but I think we're gonna have some fun. So we're gonna go meet Zoffinger and see what happens from there, man. Maybe we can introduce him to this lifestyle of drones that we do, and we got a little present for him. So, all right, y'all. We just got here to Zoffinger's. Brian,
what's up?
Ron, we got some drones in the back seat there.
Of course, always have drones.
And we're gonna go see if we can meet up with him here real quick. I think this will be fun. It looks like he's got quite a crowd here today, so should be interesting. We're gonna go see what's happening here. So he's got some customers right now. We're kind of letting him do his thing, but you guys all saw this build video if you've watched his channel. I followed this build very closely. This was actually an extremely cool build that he did. He even had custom stickers made for this thing. This is a crazy build that he built here. He's got a couple of them, man. Like, I've been watching a lot of this one too. I remember when he pieced this one together. He does some extremely incredible work here, guys. So we're communicating right now. Like I said, he's taking care of some stuff, and we're all just kind of hanging for a minute here and having a good look at the shop. Incredible place. I could live here forever. This would just be an amazing place to be every single day, no doubt.
I'm definitely gonna make time to sit.
Look who I found.
Hey, I know you.
What's up, guys?
I mean,
Yeah,
never mind.
Yeah, never mind. We brought some fun toys to show you today, if you're up for this.
Sure.
You're getting into the drone thing. I'm excited about that. Right?
lighting,
Oh, yeah,
that
that
window's
lighting
broken.
is horrible. Wow.
It's good. I don't like to show my face as much as I don't.
So we brought some race drones out here, and we actually I saw that he got a drone on his channel now.
Mavic Mini, yeah.
Yeah, we're actually going to go over some stuff that I think he needs to be aware of with that, because you guys know I've been playing with it, and I think I have some really good advice for him. We also dropped a filter off with you, and hopefully when we leave today, he might even be getting into this. We'll see. We're yeah. Look at that face. For those of you guys who don't know, this is FPV. It's first-person view. It is probably one of the most fun ways to fly a drone, and you don't really get to experience it until you understand it. So today he gets his understanding. Yeah, we're gonna put the goggles on him, and what do you think? Have you ever had a VR headset on before?
Nope, never.
Okay, well this is
I've
gonna
had my eyes on them, but never had one.
this is gonna be kind of like that, minus
Let's
It's,
show another style.
so yeah,
There's
these
two
are
different
box
styles
goggles.
here. So you have like a box goggle that's like basically one screen, large screen.
That looks like a teeny tiny movie theater.
Right.
Yeah.
Essentially,
It's
that's
gonna
what
be
it
on your
is.
face like
Yep.
this.
Some people can only fly.
You know it.
It is awesome.
High five.
Some people can only fly this way with box goggles, and some people can actually do the more, I guess, low profile style. This is split screen right here, so you actually get two videos that you can blend into one
Does
by
that help
moving
with
the.
3D or anything?
No, yeah. This is going to feel more like you're in the airplane cockpit when you're flying. It's going to be a lot to handle.
It's a lot to handle your first time.
It is.
So generally speaking, you're
Yep.
going to get a higher quality experience with a better quality screen. Usually a better quality receiver for your signal with a pair like this. These batteries
We got the freestyle quads all set up here. Brian, what'd you bring?
I got my what is this? This is an XL5 frame with a diatone stack in it, Cadix Ratel, Emax Eco 2306. The Rush Race VTX is the best VTX I've ever used. Ever. And then this is the Beater Boy. It's a Tyro frame and Tyro motors. With a Runcam Nano Micro Swift FPV camera and a GPS chip. Inside there's that's a Racer Star Rev 35 amp ESC, a diatone, F405 flight controller, and a AKK Ultimate 900 milliwatt VTX.
Boom. So it's a lot. It's a lot of machine.
A newbie drone strap.
There you go.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to show them how all this stuff works, and we're going to have some fun today, and hopefully we have created another FPV slash hobbyist
Maybe just a pilot.
monster, a new pilot to the hobby. I'm loving it. They're being extremely playful out there right now.
The guy who bought it from, actually the 381 that I
That's
worked
awesome.
with,
Look at them.
that was the same owner of
Like
that boat.
jumping on top of each other and stuff.
I knew the heroin
They're having some fun out here.
abandoned it over there out of South Point Marine.
Beautiful area. Absolutely gorgeous area. Crazy. Well, guys, we're wrapping things up here. This is the most inspirational person ever. Ever, man.
I don't know, you're pretty cool with yourself,
I'm
man.
pretty
He comes
cool?
in here, yeah, dude, you're blowing my mind. You're making me want to buy drones.
Oh, no.
You're making me want to fly. And
He doesn't want it, but we're leaving it with him, and I hope he gets antsy enough to actually
Yeah.
call us and say, hey, I want to set this thing
I
up.
told him he's kind of like the dealer who says the first one's free. Here, take it, take it. Next thing you know, I'm like,
Yeah.
dude, I gotta go.
But
Please let me
then
fly.
we can donate more equipment to him, and we can keep having fun from there and invite him out to fly and all that fun
Well,
stuff.
I think it is going to be fun.
I think he's going to have a good
I
time.
appreciate you guys coming here.
Yeah, dude, it was awesome.
Drone worship.
Drone worship.
Check 'em
yeah,
out.
man. Always picking your nose. You got that video somewhere, man. Somewhere. Jeez.
Go home, folks.